Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Switch Lube is probably one of the most transformative upgrades you can make to your mechanical keyboard, offering a noticeably smoother, more consistent, and quieter typing experience. In this video, we will explore the world of Switch Lubes, examining various types, viscosities, and application techniques to help you choose the perfect lube to elevate your keyboard game to the next level. Number 5. YIMAGUJRX RUNJRX Keyboard Lube Kit. This lube station makes lubricating your mechanical keyboard switches a breeze. Its transparent design lets you see exactly what you're doing, and it can hold up to 32 switches at once. The included 2-in-1 switch opener works with a wide variety of switches, making opening them quick and easy. No more struggling with stubborn switches. This kit has everything you need: lubrication grease, brushes, pullers, and even O-rings to customize your keyboard feel. It's got enough grease to lube 350 switches. Lubricate 32 switches simultaneously with the efficient lube station. The included tools make the entire process fast and simple. It's made with durable acrylic and high-quality components. The kit is designed for both ease of use and long-lasting performance. With this complete kit, you can easily customize your keyboard for optimal performance and a satisfying typing experience. Enjoy the smooth, quiet feel of perfectly lubricated switches. What we like. It boasts a large lube station, holding 32 switches simultaneously, saving you tons of time. The comprehensive kit includes everything you need to get started. If you value efficiency and a complete solution, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The lube was good, with no issues or complaints, and all the other tools worked fine and didn't break. The stem grabber thing is my favorite tool, as it kept my hands clean and held the stems very well. The overall quality is to be expected when spending so little, though not shabby by any means. The brush is solid, as are the switch keycaps puller that come in a handy, little container to house all of your tools. As for the actual station itself, it held every piece in a snug, but not too tight manner, which I appreciated so that I didn't accidentally lose any pieces. Also, the aluminum switch opener is quite sturdy in construction and does allow for opening both traditional and box switches. There's plenty of lubricant in the jar they provide in this kit. I've already lubed all of the switches in 3 different keyboards and still have more than half of the jar left. The switch puller is super nice compared to the ones that normally come with hot swappable keys. Number 4. RUNJRX GPL 205G0 Lube Kit. Upgrade your mechanical keyboard with this comprehensive kit. It's designed to enhance your typing experience and make your keyboard feel smoother than ever before. This special grease is a unique blend, offering superior stability and performance. It's designed to last, lubricating hundreds of switches. Easily open various mechanical switches with this 2-in-1 tool. It's compatible with many popular switch types, making maintenance a breeze. The 4-claw gripper securely holds switch stems, keeping your hands clean during the lubrication process. This ensures a precise and efficient application. This kit includes everything you need: grease, switch opener, lubrication pens, tweezers, switch puller, a parts gripper, and a keycap puller. Everything you need for a successful DIY keyboard upgrade. We've personally tested and refined this kit to provide the best possible lubrication experience. It's perfect for DIY keyboard enthusiasts of all levels. What we like. This kit uses a premium, factory-tested lubricant blend for exceptional performance and stability. It's designed to last, withstanding various conditions. If you prioritize superior lube quality and long-term reliability, this is the one for you. What people say. The kit was perfect. I didn't realize how helpful the grabber would be for keeping the switch together while lubing it. I've gotten a lot out of this kit in the past few days, including changing switches, keycaps, and some other switch mods. The key puller, switch puller, and tweezers in particular are great. This was a great kit for a beginner who has never worked on keyboards before, but it really provided me with everything I needed and was great quality. I didn't need to buy anything else to supplement this kit at all. Number 3. YIMAGUJRX G-Lube Switch Lubricant. This is YIMAGUJRX G-Lube, a premium lubricant designed for your mechanical keyboard switches and stabilizers. It's perfect for both plastic-on-plastic and plastic-on-metal contacts, ensuring smooth and consistent performance. It works great with cherry, Gateron, and kale switches, making it a truly universal solution. No need for multiple lube kits, this one covers it all. Its viscosity is just right, not too thick, not too thin. This makes it easy to apply to all types of mechanical keyboard switches, whether they're clicky, linear, or tactile. It's a non-flammable, stable synthetic grease that's safe for your keyboard components. It operates across a wide temperature range, ensuring long-lasting performance and protecting your investment. Each 10G vial provides enough lubricant for approximately 500 switches. That's a lot of smooth keystrokes. Remember, this product is for keyboard use only. What we like. It's a universal lube suitable for all switch types, making it incredibly versatile. Its consistency is just right for easy application. If you need a simple, safe, and broadly compatible lube, this is your best bet. Number 2. Gliging GPL 205 Keyboard Lube. This is the Gliging GPL 205 lubricant, designed to enhance your keyboard experience. It's perfect for lubricating mechanical keyboard switches and stabilizers. This 0.35-ounce bottle contains high-quality grease, enough to lubricate approximately 300 switches. It ensures smooth and consistent keystrokes. It comes with 2 brushes, specially designed for easy and precise application. Simply soak the brushes in warm water before use. This lubricant is perfect for both your keyboard switches and stabilizers. It helps eliminate unwanted noise and wobble. Get everything you need in one convenient package, the lubricant, and 2 application brushes. Start enjoying a smoother typing experience today. It provides long-lasting lubrication, keeping your keyboard feeling smooth and responsive for extended use. Enjoy a premium typing experience. What we like. This kit offers great value with everything you need in one package. The included brushes make the lubing process quick and easy. If you're on a budget and want a simple, effective solution, this is perfect for you. Number 1. Byhoo Keyboard Lube Kit. This kit has all the essential tools for lubricating your mechanical keyboard. It includes lube, a switch opener, and pullers for keycaps and switches. The included 0.35 ounces of GPL 205 G0 is enough to lube approximately 230 switches. However, the exact amount needed depends on your lubrication technique. Opening your MX switches is quick and easy with the included metal switch opener. It's designed for safe and efficient use. Unlike flimsy plastic tools, this kit features durable metal components for the keycap puller, switch puller, and stem holder. They're built to last. It's time to upgrade your keyboard maintenance game. This kit provides everything you need for a smooth and satisfying typing experience. Remember, the switch opener only works with MX-style switches. Also, the amount of lube needed may vary, so the 230 switch estimate is approximate. What we like. This kit features robust metal tools built to last, unlike cheaper plastic alternatives. It comes with all the essentials for a smooth lubing experience. If you value durability and a comprehensive set of tools, this kit is for you. What people say. The tools are well constructed and did the job perfectly. The lube is good enough, it worked a treat. The switch opener worked well and is weighted so it stays on the table. Now the switches are smooth as butter and make very little noise. Just a nice thought. The switch opener works well. I've only used on MX style switches, but it has the 2 broad tabs for kale switches. The lube is fine as far as I can tell. Switches sound deeper and feel smooth. They had factory lube applied only to the stem rails. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.